Hello YouTube! Welcome to Žabljak, Montenegro. I spent 6.5 hours driving here. Now I can say it's worth it. The grass you can see down below actually is a lake. Just now level of water is pretty low, and now there are just several small ponds connected to each other in front of beautiful mountain. That was a pretty easy hike to this lake, like 15 minutes, something like that. And I saw several beautiful compositions here already. And I plan to visit this place tomorrow if it is possible because of weather conditions. It seems it will be rather stormy tomorrow, at least it looks like that. We'll see. This is the very first day of my vacations. I just arrived here and I already took several shots. And if any of these shots turns out to be any good, here they are. Now the surface of this lake turns into the swamp or something like that. I got my feet wet. Take a look at this. It looks like some talented landscape designer worked here. But it's natural. And for sure, I'll take a shot. Seems like this place is quite dangerous, at least for snakes, and I hope it's way less dangerous for people. It looks like the Dolomites. Take a look at this pond and the reflection of the mountain inside. What do you think? Does it worth a shot? I do think so. And a couple of words about the hike itself. It goes through this forest. And this forest is just gorgeous. It's spooky, it's dark, it's very old and very beautiful. There are a lot of stones on the ground, almost no grass inside. Ooh. If one day I'll have to record a video for Halloween, I should come here and shoot this forest for Halloween. Take a look at this trail. Take a look at this forest. On this slope with all these flowers blooming on the rocks, on the white stones. Crazy. Amazing forest. Just amazing. Isn't that rock look similar to El Capitan?